Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ring alarm base station and sensors, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Ring alarm base station and sensors from their packaging. Make sure you have all components, the base station, door/window sensors, motion detectors, and power adapter. Place the Ring alarm base station in a central location in your home, preferably elevated. Plug the base station into a power outlet using the provided power adapter. Wait for the base station to power on, which should take a few moments. Look for the light on the front of the base station to indicate that it is ready for setup. Download the Ring app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the app and create an account or log in to your existing account. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select security devices from the list, then choose Ring alarm. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your base station. Scan the QR code located on the base station using your smartphone's camera. Wait for the app to confirm that it has successfully connected to the base station. Once connected, the app will guide you through the process to add sensors. For door and window sensors, install the battery in the sensor and peel off the adhesive backing. Position the sensor on the door or window frame, ensuring it aligns properly with the magnet piece. Press the Pair Device button in the app when prompted. Open and close the door or window to ensure the sensor is detected by the app. Repeat the installation steps for each additional door/window sensor. Next, install the motion detectors in chosen areas, making sure they are at the recommended height. Insert the batteries into the motion detector and peel off the adhesive backing. Mount the motion detector on a wall or corner, ensuring it faces the appropriate area for detection. Press Pair Device in the app for each motion detector you set up. Verify that the app confirms each motion detector has been added successfully. After all devices are added, review the configuration in the app. Set your preferences for notifications and monitoring. Finally, conduct a system test by activating each sensor to confirm they trigger alerts in the app. Once testing is complete, your Ring alarm system is now fully active and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.